Deforestation is the process of cutting down trees or burning forests and jungles. If we continue to massively cut down forests, all forests will disappear in 100 years. The main causes of deforestation are agriculture, urbanization, forest fires, and so on. The main consequence is that the forests produce carbon dioxide, but also breathe it from the air, so it's not good for the forest and for entire environment. The solutions we can make against deforestation are plant trees, recycle, reduce paper use, and so on.
Overpopulation is a phenomenon that occurs when a species population becomes larger than the carrying capacity of its environment. Causes of overpopulation are declining the death rate, agricultural advancement, better medical facilities, more hands to overcome poverty, technological advancement, infertility treatment, immigration, and a lack of family planning. Fatal effects of overpopulation are degradation of environment, conflicts and wars, rise in unemployment, high cost of living, pandemics and epidemics, starvation, water shortage, lower life expectancy, and faster climate change. When addressing overpopulation, it's crucial to take an approach of providing empowerment while mobilizing against anybody advocating for the use of violence to solve all problems.
Hi, my name is Sara and I will talk about air pollution. So what is air pollution? It refers to the release of pollutions into the air, pollutions which are detrimental to human health and the planet as a whole. According to the World Health Organization, each year air pollution is responsible for nearly 7 million deaths around the globe. So what are the causes of air pollution? Burning fossil fuels releases gases and chemicals into the air, and in a especially destructive feedback loop. Air pollution not only contributes to climate change, but it's also exacerbated by it. Air pollution in the form of carbon dioxide and methane raises the Earth's temperature. So what can we do to help? We can try using more public transports, turn off the lights when we don't use it, recycle and reuse, and we can say no to the plastic bags. These are just some ways we can try to reduce air pollution, but there are many more. I hope this video helped you to understand what air pollution is.